I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is gonna pump you up.
This super tiny paddleboard electric pump by Inatway is your perfect outdoor sidekick. It really allowed us to have such a good time on the river in Yosemite. As you can see, it is super small. It comes with a hose with different nozzle connections, and it has a valve that pushes air in and out with different silicone washers. It also comes with a waterproof bag that you can put everything in. This was so nice and compact and easy to carry. No matter where you're going, you can charge it at home or on the go. The valve to push air out is to the right, and it just did such a good job airing up the paddleboard, our two-person raft, and just like that, we were able to have a good time on the Merced River in Yosemite National Park. And that waterproof bag was perfect because then I was able to take it with us on our water adventure, put it in the raft, and when we stopped, if anyone needed a little air up, it was there with me and I was able to whip it out. This was also helpful for our camping trip in Yosemite because we had a air mattress cot. And it not only airs up, but also deflates. The other side of the valve is to suck the air in, making sure you get all the air out to make it easier to pack things up, whether it is your mattress, your paddleboard, you are wanting to save some room while you're packing. I really was impressed with this pump.
But that's just my point of view.